So, you have urinary output as your skill. You need to start with a pair of gloves. This pair right here. Pair of gloves. And then inside here will be a bedpan on this little white stand in here. A bedpan with either she's going to have it simulated urine, like so. She left this little yellow looking food coloring, but it'll be in the bedpan here. So get your gloves on first. Now you need a graduate, which is, of course, one of these. You take your bedpan. Now, normally I would do this over the toilet, but I want you all to see. Pour this urine into this graduate, all of it, without spilling it. Sit it on a flat surface. One of these shelves will be fine. Take your bedpan. Water. Rinse. Pour it in the toilet. You don't have to dry it. Just place it in the designated area. Now you come back and you read your graduate. That looks like 450 to me. After you've read it and you verified that that's what you got in your mind, that number, because then you're going to empty the urine into the toilet. Rinse the graduate, empty the rinse into the toilet, place it back in the designated dirty area. Then you're going to remove your gloves. Of course, without doing what?
Terminate yourself.
Then you say loud and clear.
Wash hands.
Wash hands.